wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good evening to all of my listeners and a big warm welcome to everyone. I hope everybody is okay. You are tuned into the hearts of Bradford City Radio Darkan FM. Sorry, Islam ki Darkan FM. How is everybody today? Sunday evening, live Facebook with DJ Raja Tariq. How are you? Are you okay? Is everything good? Kabir, hairdressers of Adams, Bakran Road, BD3. Ji haan. How is everybody in the world? Is everybody okay? This is such a beautiful Kamali Yard Di Kamali is going out to all the way through to Undercliff to Raja Ayub Khan. Don't say, uncle, that I don't put your request on. Today I have. And this is from you to all your family. Sorry guys, something is wrong with my internet service. I don't know, something is not right today. My live program is not even right as well today. I hope everybody is okay. If you're driving whilst you're watching my program, please make sure to take extra care of on the roads. And if you're cooking, please make sure don't burn the cooking. If you're in the kitchen, restaurants, takeaways, make sure to keep your eyes on the food. Ji haan. I'm only doing just a little bit of program today, not doing big one. I've been trying to set my program for the last 2 hours today. I want you to come on 7 o'clock. Assalamu alaikum to Ameed Hussain. Assalamu alaikum to Kabir. Yasin Yusuf, assalamu alaikum to you. Yes, Kuzi. Where have you been hiding? Now, you've been hiding somewhere. Tell me where you've been hiding. What's been happening? Nasser Sharif, assalamu alaikum to you. Barmiya, assalamu alaikum to you. Kajal, assalamu alaikum to you. How is everybody? Is everybody doing good? If you like my program, please share this and comment. If you do any wrong comments, please, I will block you. Remember one thing. All you need to do is just enjoy my program. Just up till 9:45 today. Next week, I will be on live Saturday evening. And rather than being Sunday evening. This is such a beautiful voice of Bushra Siddiq's. Such a beautiful voice. If you want to really know, this is 18 minutes long. How?
Before the story.
Rafiq Bhatt, assalamu alaikum to you, my friend. And thank you for liking the program. Stay tuned with me all the way through. Qasim Saheed, assalamu alaikum and hello to you. People say, when I be out there, they say, you don't talk too much. But the thing is, I don't like talking in between the like Naat song because of it spoils your enjoyment. What do you think, people? Am I right there, huh? Am I? Munir Yusuf, assalamu alaikum, and Yusuf, assalamu alaikum, bro. Wa alaikum assalam. Raja Shahid from all the way through to Wassil. And assalamu alaikum to you. You're saying nice show. Thank you, brother. That's all I want is build the hopes up. हाल शाल उवे है ते हाल भी उवे है क्या याद है दोस्तों बिल्कुल So be prepared for just for 1 hour show today and stay with me 1 hour won't be too long today. Assalamu alaikum to Arshad Mahmood. क्या हाल है आपका भाई साहब ठीक ठाक हो एंजॉय करो मेरा प्रोग्राम all Nathan today strictly not show today from the heart of Bradford जी हाँ and stay tuned with me. Hello? Hello? Assalamualaikum. Hello? Yeah, I'm doing program. प्रोग्राम का बाद भी फोन करेंगे बाय हेलो हेलो और यार मैं प्रोग्राम करने लगा इस टाइम की मैं बिजी हूं तो मैं बाद में इसको फोन करना ओके बाय Next kalimat is coming on to your way is Paro la ilaha illallah. Such a beautiful voice. Shabazz Kamar Faridi's voice. जी हाँ सच प्यारा प्यारा ब्यूटीफुल वॉइस जी हाँ Assalamualaikum to 1 year chat. कैसे हैं भाई साहब ठीक ठाक हो Stay tuned with my program and keep listening. Assalamu alaikum. Fazal Mahmood. Lois Rashid. How are you? RJ Rocky. Assalamu alaikum to you. Guys, don't forget on the 4th of January 2020, Radio Islam FM Bradford is back on air. Remember the date again? It's 4th of January 2020. Wow. 2020. And the frequency is 87.7 FM. Don't forget, from the 4th of January 2020. हमारे रोकी भाई, अगर आपने कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख दें और मेरे जो व्यूअर हैं उन सबको पता चल जाएगा कि 4 तारीख जनवरी की 2020 को रेडियो इस्लाम FM इज गोना बी ऑन एयर. ये ज़हमत कर दे मेरे लिए. थैंक यू. अस्सलाम वालेकुम टू नसर अहमद. कैसे हैं आप भाई साहब? ठीक है. Just another half an hour and then I'll be saying my goodbyes. I want to come and do 2 hours, guys, but the problem is something always goes wrong. I don't know, something every single time. Hopefully next week I'll be prepared for my programs. Maybe next week I might have a little surprise for you. You might be listening to me clear, crystal clear on your mobiles. And if I get the upper I'm trying to think, or the streaming, then I will be on air every second day for my listeners. So it'll be Islam Ki Darkan, such a beautiful name. Assalamu alaikum too. From all the way through, either commentary or Peterborough. Tabarak Hussain, assalamu alaikum to you. Such a beautiful Naat Sharif. Voice of Haida sisters. So from now until January, maybe first or second week of February, I'll be strictly not on Islamic programs, hopefully. So don't forget guys, 4th of January 2020, Radio Islam is back on air on 87.7 FM. जी हाँ, अस्सलाम वालेकुम to Qamar Ilyas. And अस्सलाम वालेकुम to Ahsan Khan. Qamar Ilyas saying assalam bro. वालेकुम अस्सलाम bro. कैसे हो? ठीक ठाक हो? क्या हो रहे अब? क्या कर रहे हो? Half an hour to go now, and then I'll say my goodbyes. I'm only doing a short program today because last week I wasn't feeling better. It's still the same thing as well. But I can't let my beautiful listeners wait another week without me coming on air. That's how loyal I am to you. I'm in pain and everything, and I'm still coming on air for you. Live Facebook. It's a bit easy to buy and I can't do it. चल फिर तकने फिर कौन फिर चल करी दूसरा Okay then, no worries man. चल ठीक है फिर Assalamu alaikum to my beautiful sister Iram Khan, and assalamu alaikum to Wakar. कैसे हो सब? ठीक ठाक हो?
That shit plastic in the trash. But listen, if it's some recycled packaging in your life, man. Clean conscience in there. And a clean body.
Welcome back from the hearts of Bradford. I am your host, Raja Tariq. From now until 10:15, just a little short program today, no big one. Next I'm putting on such a beautiful knot by Dwai Noor. This is a 10-year-old girl. Jihan, 10 years, and she's got amazing voice, mashallah. If you've got kids, make them listen. She's 10 years and look where she is, unbelievable. Let's enjoy with it. And she's singing Ma Baap. Let's hear it.
माँ बाप बड़े अनमोल हैं, माँ
Assalamu alaikum too. To my favorite presenter, DJ Rush. जी हाँ, welcome. If your car is not working, is not starting, all you need to remember, you can find them on the website. It's called Labanu Motors, Salt Street, Bradford 8. And how is everybody? Is everybody okay? So guys, don't forget, on the 4th of January 2020, Radio Islam FM is back on air on 87.7 FM. Yeah, Rush, if you got a link of Radio Islam Bradford, the app thing, what we call it, can you just send it on to the comment bar, please? And then people can take you off from there. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Zahir Hussain from BD8. Assalamu. Okay, guys.
माँ बाप की खिदमत का
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। If you have just joined me, मेरी तरफ से आप सबको अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हमारा जो है नात का प्रोग्राम है और हम नात का प्रोग्राम कर और उम्मीद करते हैं आपको पसंद आएगा। You will be enjoying it. I've only got 15 minutes of my time left. So maybe just gonna squeeze another 2 in. And this is going out to next. Is Mola Mera Ghar Vi Hove. Such a beautiful naat. And this is going out to DJ Rush for his princess, for his son Ibrahim, and for the entire rest of his family. And if your car is not working and you know where to go, it's Labana Motors, Salt Street, Bradford 8. Next week I'll try my best to get his telephone number, then you can ring him direct. And also this is going out to my beautiful group, AJK Mirpur Pakistani UK group. Assalamu alaikum to you, all of you. Kaise ho? Nasir Sharif is looking and is sharing my video. Very nice. Keep it up. This is for Kamar, Chacha Munir, Mahboob, Dr. Iqbal, Dr. Kadir, Uncle Harry, Munsaf Dad from Bradford, and also is in my group. And the many people are in my group. For all of them, सुनो मौला मेरा घर भी होवे। जी हाँ, ऐसे लगती है, सच अ ब्यूटीफुल, दिल में लगती है। जी हाँ, और इस वक्त आप सुन रहे हैं ब्रैडफोर्ड सिटी रेडियो इस्लाम की दरकन FM। जी हाँ, आइए सुनते हैं ब्यूटीफुल प्यारी नात for Labana Motors. Once again, Labana Motors and AJK Mirpur Pakistani UK group. Muhammad Salim, Assalamu alaikum. Salim Mahmood, wa alaikum assalam. Don't forget, guys, Muhammad Salim Mahmood is from the Bazaar. Remember, the Bazaar. Assalamu alaikum to Munsaf Mir Munsaf Dad from AJK Mirpur Pakistani UK group. Please guys, याद रखा करो कि 8 बजे नाल या 7 बजे अगू हमारा प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट होया कर सीगे। प्लीज क्या करो, टाइम पर हर चीज कर करो। क्या ख्याल है? And this is going out to Labana Motors, Salt Street. And for Salim Mahmood, the Bazaar. of that. Thank you very much. Another 10 more time, 10 more minutes to go. Welcome back from the heart of Bradford. Bradford City Radio, इस्लाम की दरकन FM. जी हाँ, मौला मेरा घर भी होवे. Such a beautiful naat. आइए अगली नात सुनते हैं और वो है अरबिक या ताइबा. Such a beautiful जी. And this is for someone special from me to them. Ya Taiba. How is my beautiful listeners of Facebook? Is everybody okay? Said, Assalamu alaikum to you. Muhammad Rashid, Assalamu alaikum to you. And welcome to. Sorry, it's going to be my next last naat. And then I'm going to say goodbyes just after now. Because I've been on for at least over an hour. Once, inshallah, every single thing, my system and my streaming is done, sorted out, then I will be on 3 hours, inshallah. And then make sure, listeners, you're on time every week to come and listen and join such a beautiful nas from now until middle of February. And then I'm giving myself a little bit break. And then after break, when I come back, eventually will be Ramzan as well. I can't believe it was 2019 gone. It's already 22nd of December 2019 today. Around the corner for 2020. टाइम दोस्तों बहुत तेज जा रहा है, बहुत तेज जा रहा है। इतों अज प्रोग्राम करना मुड़ के एक वीक पता ही नहीं लगना कुत्था टाइम जान लगे है जी। दौड़ो दौड़ ते नसो नस है टाइम। ते पाकिस्तान ना टाइम पता लगना, इतना तो पता ही नहीं लगना। इतना बस दौड़ो दौड़ कम्मा काजा विच मुड़ के अच्छो खाओ ते सियो ते मुड़ के नसी जाओ वापस कम्मे पर। ये जिंदगी है इंग्लैंड दी। ओके देन यादें नाल अगले हफ्ते टाइम में लिखी जोड़ सा उस टाइम मेरे मुताबिक सारे आई है ते इंशाल्लाह ते प्रोग्राम फिर सुनिए सारा हो सकना 3 घंटे हो सकना नेक्स्ट नाथ प्रोग्राम। ते अगर तुसा कोई सुनना चाहते हो प्लीज तुसा मिगी अपनी फरमाइश करो कि तुसा नाम है ना सही तरीके नाल। क्या ख्याल है होना चाहिए ना इस तरह। Hajra Munir, assalamu alaikum to you. Well late today. Chalo, this next song, next naat. Why did I say that? Normally sometimes I do songs as well, so this is slip of tongue. Hajra Munir, this next nasheed is for you. I'm Alive by Zahir and Asif. Such a beautiful voice of them. I'm alive. Let's enjoy it. और इस नात से पहला मैं आपको कहना चाहता हूँ अपना ख्याल रखे, दूसरों ना ख्याल रखे, किसी की दिल आजारी ना करे, प्यार मोहब्बत ना रहो तो प्यार मोहब्बत ना रहो। कोई जिंदगी ना पता कोड़ी है कल इतना कोई ओसी कोई नहीं होने लगा तो प्लीज कोशिश करो कि अपने यहाँ की मनाई के रखो तो दिल ना लाई के रखो। कोई पता नहीं कल हो या ना हो, कौन होगा कौन नहीं होगा। याद रखना दोस्तों कि राजा तारक ने एक गल आखी सी, कोई पता नहीं अगली करीच क्या हो सकना। I'll be gone, you'll be gone, who'll be gone, nobody will know. Okay, मेरी तरफ से अल्लाह हाफिज and take care, look after one another. Okay, good night and God bless you wherever you are in the world. Khuda Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. See you next week.